Hi, I'm Daniel Mertola, and I'm one of the admins of Vector Execo CH, one of the largest design groups here in the Philippines. And so, Vector Execo CH, it's a group of talented vector artists here in the Philippines. Each gathered from members are from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. And our mission is to unite, inspire, and support every Filipino vector artist and enthusiast all over the world.
Tapos yung mga artist na magkakapares ng style, parang papasok doon, tapos nangyari, gawa ng kalidad sila, sa mga pag-style. Yun ang gagawin, dahil mga malayo, hindi na pwede yung style. Hindi balak na para sa mga December anniversary, mga members, di ba? At saka yung para sa mga organization. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Carlos Maligatas of Vector Execo Philippines, and I invite you guys to join our growing organization. Please do like us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/launch-vector. Hi, I'm Paolo Naliganos of Vector Execo Philippines, and I invite you guys to join us by liking our Facebook fan page, by clicking Viber. Nawawala talaga ako. Okay.